everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to continue building the Tamiya RC glove liner. And today I'm going to go ahead and build step 16. All right, this is the parts that I need to get to building it, right? So let's get started by getting the parts. Okay, so first I'm going to get this part BA3, which is this nut right here. Okay, and I have here my my parts bin. Okay, all right, and it's BA3. Okay, so A. Okay, all right, and it's gonna be A3. So it's this nut right here, right there. Okay, all right, I'm trying to get a good view. Okay, all right, so it's two of them. Okay, two of these nuts. All right, okay, I'm gonna put them here on the side, and then I have the next part is BA5. Okay, and it's going to be same bin, same area. Okay, BA5, and it's going to be this one. All right, this screw right here. Okay, all right, and let me compare it. Right, oops, right here to this one. Okay, because you can always compare them to the drawing, and it's a good match. Okay, so it's two of them. Okay, all right, one more. Okay, right there. Okay, all right, and then the next one, it's BB6. Okay, and this one is going to be this one right here. All right, okay, there's two of them right here. There's another one that is much smaller. Okay, but it's not the small one, it's the bigger one. Okay, and this one is this part. Okay, oh, keeps rolling down. Okay, right there. Okay, all right, right there. Okay, so it's gonna be two of them. All right, one more. Okay, there we go. All right, next we are going to I need to get the this one, BH3, and this one you're going to find it in one of these bags. It had other parts, but I already used them, right? Okay, this part right here, these two gold color parts. Okay, so let me take them out. All right. Okay, all right, and right there, this is the parts. Okay, right there. Okay, so two of them, right? And then so that's okay, so that's it for all these parts. Okay, and now let me show you right here. Okay, now I need this part. Okay, this part right here, and it's shackle. That's the name of it, shackle. That's what it says right here. Okay, this part. Okay, and that one is also on another little bag, right here. Okay, let me get them out. Okay, and I just need two. Okay, two of those. Actually, no, I need four of them. Yeah, okay, so all four of them right there. Okay, all right, I put them here on the side, and then the next part is, let's see, it's going to be Okay, let me put this back on the back. All right. Okay. All right. And put it away. Okay, and the next part is going to be G10, which is this plastic washer, right? G10. And also G2 is this other like a cylinder round plastic. It looks like a washer, but it's a little bit thicker. Okay, so that one you're going to find it in this tree of parts. Okay, it's also on your kit. And here's the part letter right there, G. Okay, and so we need G10. G10 is right here, right there. Those washers right there. So I just carefully bend it, twist it, and I got one. I do the same for the other one. 2. And now I need G2, because I already got G10. So G2, and G2, it's right there, G2. Okay, these two. Okay, they're like they're washers, but different type of washers. Okay, all right, there you go. So now that I cut these ones, I always like to trim them, right? Because right here on the edge, once you cut them, you have some plastic still sticking up. Okay, so I like to clean them up and trim them. So I'm going to go ahead and trim them right now. All right, I clean up the parts, right? Okay, so let me put them on the side. All right, so here's the chassis upside down with the servers, okay, on facing this way. So the first thing that I'm going to do right now is to center the servers. Okay, I need to center them. That way, I have the same amount of direction on one side and also on the other side. So that's what pretty much centering a server is. You always want to do that. That way you make sure that you have even amount of direction on one side and the same equal amount of direction on the other side. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to show you. Even though right here on the picture, you could see right here, I try to, put him in the same direction as the picture. See right here, you can see the direction. I try to match that here, but even though I still need to center it just to make sure that I get the same equal amounts of direction in either side. Okay, so for that, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these server testers. Okay, I just have a regular battery right there. It's if you want to know what type of battery it is, it's a 7.4 volts, 13 milliamps LiPo battery. Okay, right there. Hopefully you can see it because it's kind of small. All right, so we're going to do this right now, and right here, let me show you. Here's the server, the tester. Server tester. Okay, and right there, you can see the positive and negative, right? That's where I'm going to connect my my power from the battery on the first, right there. Right here on the middle, it says neutral. Sorry for the blurriness. It says neutral. The top one says manual, and the bottom one says automatic. So manual, neutral, automatic. So right now I have it switched to the neutral. That's gonna give me it's gonna center the server for me. Okay, so I have it there, and all I have to do right now, okay, let me pull back, okay, a little bit more. All right, and right there. Okay, so all I have to do right now is just plug one of these the plugs from the server, right? And let me I'm gonna take out the battery power so you can see it from a different angle. And same thing right there, that the top one. Okay, the top one says the server, the signal, positive and negative. So you want to have it this way. Okay, the negative is the black wire. Black wire is negative, red one positive, and the yellow one is the signal wire. So the signal wire is the one that says server right there. Okay, so this is and there's a lot of 4 different pins. Okay, so the first one is the first line of this clips. This pins is for the battery, and then you have 3 more servers that you can test at the same time. So it's going to go right there like this. Okay, right there. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to plug the power. Okay, and the server is going to, one of the servers is going to move. Okay, now it's pretty tight spot. Let me switch it to the other side because it's pretty tight, so it wasn't fitting. So right there, okay, I put it right there because you can still move it. Okay, all right, now let's try it from this angle because that way it's not squeezing it. Okay, right there. Okay, right there. So see now, okay, right there, see? Okay, right there. Okay, all right, that's a better view. Okay, and then, all right, let me pull back and see. Let's change is this server. See? Right now I'm moving it manually. Okay, all right, and I put it to neutral, right, and it's already center. Okay, right there, it's already center. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the other one. Okay, here's the other plug. All right, and right there. Okay, right there, the server moved by itself. That means it's center. Okay, all right, and okay, so now I can unplug it. Let me also manually test it out. See, right there. Okay, it works. And let's put it back to neutral. See, even though, let's say I have it like this, when I put it back to neutral, center it, it goes back to center. Okay, so that's the cool thing about it, that, you know, you center it, making sure you get the same amount of direction in both directions. Okay, so now I need to, now I unplug it. Okay, so now that the servers are centered, now I can make small adjustments. This one is a little bit facing a little bit down. So on the picture, it shows it's more straight right there. Let me show you. See right here, it shows it's more straight, right? So I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up, and just the horn. Okay, just the horn. I'm gonna move it a little bit up. Oops, I dropped the screw. Okay, just very carefully. I'm just moving it 1 teeth. All right, I think I have to remove the whole thing. Okay, it's gonna be a quick removal because I keep moving it and doesn't want to adjust more to the center. So easy, just remove it be careful with the top washer right there. There's a top washer right there. Just be careful not to drop it. Okay. All right. Okay, and then remove this part carefully, just like that. Okay. All right, so gently with this screwdriver. Okay, so if you notice it was like this, so I'm gonna turn it a little bit. See, so I'm just gonna use this as a reference, right? And it was like this, so I'm gonna move it this way, align it to make it straight. Okay, I'm trying to fit it into the teeth right there. Okay. Now it's not gonna be exactly straight because of the teeth, but you do it as close as possible. Okay. All right, there you go. Okay, you can feel it when it goes into the teeth. So like I said, not exactly straight right now. It's a little bit this way, but that's okay. That's fine. Okay. Okay, and so when you're doing this, do not move it, right? You don't want to move the server, the inside. Okay, so now we put this back. And then this one. Right there. Now the screw. All right, and screw it in. Okay, gently. Okay, because you do not want to move the server, the gears underneath. Okay, it moved a little bit. Okay, it actually did move it when I turned. See, okay, right now I did move it. Okay, right there. Okay, it's tight. Okay, but I can always go back, right? I can always go back quickly. All right, and center it right now. Okay. Oops, I did the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, that's that one. Is this other one. Right there. Okay. Okay. So like I said, even though let's say right there, see I moved it. Don't worry about it because you can still come back and center it anytime. Right there. Okay, so it's center. Just like that. Now that they're center, I need to also do the same thing for this one because okay, this one is already you know as straight as I could do it. But now this one I have to adjust it, right? Because see, if you see on the picture right here, right there, it's facing this way. So this one is facing this way, and then the other one is facing that way, and this one is not facing that way. So I need to also remove it. Let me unplug it from here. Okay, and adjust it. Okay, so carefully. Okay, and then same thing, I have to lift this up, and you see right here, you can use this as a reference. This has to be facing that way. All right. Okay. Right there. Okay. All right. And then this one goes back just like that. Then the screw. Okay, it's okay. You probably heard it. It moved. Okay, very gently. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay. All right. So it's okay if it moves just like that. It doesn't matter because once you plug it again, like you're gonna see right now, it's gonna center itself. Right there. Okay, right there. Okay. So there you go. Okay, just like the picture, one facing that way and this one facing the other way. Okay, so that's center. Okay. See, I get direction, the same amount of direction both ways. See? Right there, center again. Okay, let's continue the build. And the first part that we're gonna get is the shock. Let's get the shock. We already built the shock on the other episode. Okay, here's the shock. All right, and so the shock goes right here. Okay, just like that. All right, I put a decoration right there. It's just a sticker. Okay, so the shock, we get the screw, right? This screw, okay, and the screw goes like this. All right, and then followed by the part that we already got, this thing that is like a little barrel. Okay, and it goes like this right there, just like that. Okay, and then goes right here, right there, just like that. Okay, followed by the nut on the back. It is nice to have a big table because that way you have a lot of room to work with. I mean, okay, so the nut goes right here. Okay, and since it's going to be metal with metal, right? I'm going to put Loctite. Here's our Loctite. All right, and not that much. Okay. Okay, and we screw it in. All right, there's the wrench. Remember that the kit comes with the wrench. Okay, so you can use that wrench to hold it down right there and to screw it in. Okay, so that one is done. All right, we get the other shock. Okay. Okay, it's going to go right there. Okay. The barrel, so it's going to go right here, just like that. Okay. The screw on this side. Okay, like that. And then we come on the other side, but let me flip it around because it's easier. Okay. And now the Loctite. All right, followed by the nut. Okay, let's get the wrench. Okay, not over tighten it, right? You don't want to break it. Okay, all right, so now let's install this part right here. First with the screw. Okay, it's right here. Then followed by the this piece. Okay, and there's a little bump right here. There's this little bump right here is flush. So the bump facing you. Okay, right there, just like that. And then followed by the plastic little barrel, like that. And then followed by the other piece, right? Okay, and also I'm going to the little bump right here on the second one is also facing me. Okay, so the back can be flush. Okay, and then followed by the plastic washer right there. Okay, and then this goes into this hole right here, right there. Okay, all right, so we put it just like that. And also Loctite, because it goes it's gonna make contact with metal, right? And we don't want it to get loose with the vibration when we're writing the when we're playing with the RC, right? Okay, all right, so let me tighten this up. All right, and there's always going to be movement here because it's part of the shock, right? So you want it to be able to move. Okay, so let me tighten this up. Not too much, but tight enough. Right there. Okay, and we still have that those movements. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. Okay. All right, just like that. Okay, so we have both sides completed with the shocks. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to install the links, right? These bars. Okay, so we already built it. Okay, so let's start with this one, the top one, which is this one. All right. Okay, so we just press it like this, gently, until it clicks. Okay. All right, careful with the server. Okay, careful with the server. I don't want to bend it too much and break it. Okay, you know what? I am going to have to remove this part because I don't want to force it and accidentally break it. So instead, I'm going to just okay, put it right here, and I'll do it on the table that way. I don't want to bend it, break it, I mean. So right here. Wow, it's really hard to get it in there. Okay, let's try it this way. Wow, okay. Maybe if I put some grease, maybe. Okay, I got this piece of wood. Let's see if that will work. Wow, still not going inside. Okay. There we go. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. That did work. Okay. So nice. Okay. It's in there. Right there. So I guess, yeah, a piece of wood. This will do the job without damaging the server, you know, 'cause that is a lot of pressure. Okay. So, okay. I put this back. All right. Okay, and remember, if the server does move, don't worry about it. You can still if it moves, it's okay because you already center it, so it's okay if it moves. You can just go back and recenter it with the server tester. Okay, just like that. All right. Okay. All right. So now it's the other one. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, okay. Okay, let me put it as close as where it was. Okay. All right, so now it's the longer one, which is this one. Okay, this white one. All right. Okay, and I put it upside down. All right, upside down. Okay, and let's see if I can just pop it just with my hand. Okay, yeah. All right, this was easier because I guess the material is much softer. Okay, and that one goes back. Okay, just like I removed it. Okay, I put it back, put back the screw, I mean. And tighten it up carefully, not to break it, not over tighten it. There you go. Okay. All right, and just to make sure it's back center. All right, you don't have to do that, but I'll double check right there. Okay, this one is already center. Okay, now let's check the other one. Right there. Okay, boo, right there. Nice. Okay, so that's it for this step 16. Okay, we completed everything, and this is how the product the build looks like so far. Okay, very nice. Okay, there you go. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I know this is a long video because of all the details, right? And also because, you know, I'm trying to do it step by step. So it's hard to make the videos short. Okay, so all right, so thank you again for watching this video. If you like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.